next play. That's all you can do.
It sounds simple, right? But a scoreboard with a huge point deficit is hard to ignore. The USC Trojans beat the Sun Devils soundly 42-14, leading 35-0 by halftime. It was a situation the Sun Devils haven't seen very often. For a team that started this season with high expectations, it seemed unprecedented. But ASU safety Jordan Simone still holds the highest confidence in his team.
I feel great. My confidence in our team is will never change. They were the better team tonight. And, we took a big loss last year early in the season to UCLA, and we bounced back. And so we just got to move forward, get better, and there's another week. Just move forward. That's the biggest thing.
Though ASU wants to move on to next week, there is a critical stat that they can't ignore: turnovers. The Sun Devils had 4 on the night, and every single one resulted in a touchdown at the end of the drive. Coach Todd Graham said that those critical mistakes were the reason for falling short.
But, I felt really good early because I knew they couldn't run the ball. And we were able to handle that. Their speed and athleticism, we left had a couple of critical errors, left some guys uncovered. But at the end of the day, you can't turn the ball over on going in on the 1 yard line. I think that was obviously the play of the game. So we're self-destructing when you're turning the football over like that.
Rather than self-destruct, the Sun Devils look to rebuild this week before heading to the Rose Bowl to face the Bruins. From Tempe, I'm Elaine Wilson, Cronkite Sports.